Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. In city creation, we are discussing the topic that is we are discussing what basically SBI Bank, then basically the Amazon part, and then after Amazon basically we are discussing the after 2 days the big earthquake is going to come to India. So SBI mostly basically we have discussed the SBI part, and that's very dangerous. I'm telling you, it's very dangerous. So one of the person told that Sunil, basically you do have the data basically the where the SBI groups basically database is there, SBI server basically. Then Sunil told that basically is very difficult to track basically because their server basically are never trackable basically. Trackable means you can't track the server where is actually because that is SBI na basically, that's why. Because SBI have Citibank as a customer basically, you can just imagine basically. So how basically you can track SBI? That is not possible basically. SBI server basically you can't track. It's because it's connected with Citibank, Bank of Baroda. Then basically it's connected with um, Corporation Bank, then it's connected with HDFC Bank, then it's connected with HSBC Bank, then it's connected with the Bank of India. So basically, there are many banks basically will not believe it basically. It's a SBI basically, State Bank of India basically, and they are well basically wealth basically you can say what to say richest bank basically you can, because if Citibank basically can give 50 lakh crore to SBI as a just a credit basically. So rest of bank basically you can just imagine up to what level they have around in India basically how many banks are basically there. How many banks basically are there in India? So this all are basically under SBI basically. And here the main thing is they are doing the future plans basically. This bank is going to create future president of America data. That bank basically is going to produce future European president's data. So all the tasks basically are defined basically you can say, because if they are telling that basically this is the bank basically who is telling that basically this is the future data of the bank of the America president, future America president, future USA president, sorry, America and USA both are same, future UK presidents, future Italy presidents. That means all tasks are basically designed already. That this president, next president basically who is going to come in USA, or basically who is the UK, or basically the Italy, the tasks basically are defined basically. Their groups are also basically defined because they are telling that basically this is the group of future president account. So one person, I will take an example. As in that basically one of the person told that yeah basically that person basically, and he was basically very high profile person basically. He told that basically that person basically got ill basically, yeah, basically. He is basically having some stomach problem, he is basically having some heart problem, he is having some eye problem. So he told that basically from which human needs basically, which blood cells basically it was affected basically. So one other person told that when it was affected on the base of this ruling president's creation human needs. So they basically immediately track that basically what in that time period basically which all human needs basically that president has created. So just imagine basically the medical industry, the data science project basically has reached up to the level basically. Their trackable system basically you can just imagine, which is created by the software companies. But currently I'm not working, so I'm not into that. So you can just imagine the trackable system basically, which is created by the software companies. So he told that basically this was the time period uh, on the base of that the his body basically parts was damaged, because in this time period this was the human needs basically which was created. So they tracked that person and they told that basically why it was basically damaged, why the heart, why the stomach, and why the eye basically was damaged due to this human needs consumption. So they basically told that basically when we have checked, that time basically everything was fine, because Bollywood group basically has given the certification to us basically that at this time period basically when the your human needs basically was created, there is no body parts basically is going to affect. They have given the certificate basically. So take that certificate. So they told that basically we have taken the certificate from the Bollywood group that basically your product basis. So you can just imagine how dangerous role basically the Bollywood groups are taking. Sorry, playing basically, not taking basically, because they are taking 100 crore basically. Few people like basically the old stars basically like Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Sunil Shetty. These all people basically are taking 100 crore basically of the movie basically. Why they are taking? This is the reason basically, because they are telling that basically whatever human needs is created by this president basically, that is not going to affect to any of the body parts. They have checked that basically, and they have done the advertising also basically, that this is the movie also created. In that certificate they have written that this is the movie, this is the serial, and this is basically checked also basically. So one of the person told that how they checks here basically, that is also question. Then they told that basically whenever the movies are launched, that time basically lots of popcorn, lots of samosas, lots of cold drinks are directly produced from the company basically, that is Pepsi, Coca Cola, Thumbs Up, 7 Up, Sprite, in movie theater basically, not in public, in movie theater basically I'm talking. And they have watched that movie, and that time basically they had that every each and every human needs, and then that time basically we have tracked them basically also, that they have watched this movie and anything is have affected to their body parts or not, up to that level we have tracked. Bollywood is telling that basically, and we have the certification also basically of each and every people who watched the movie, and their body parts basically was perfectly fine, and that certificate also basically we have of that each and every people basically. So up to that level basically we have done the certification, and we have given that particular to the government basically. So how you can say that basically, that ruling, the ex ruling people basically started telling that basically. So you can just imagine how dangerous role the Bollywood groups are telling, how dangerous role the Bollywood groups are playing basically. You can't imagine basically up to what level, because it might possible that the president group basically will say that basically Bollywood groups are not doing their task basically. So in future basically Bollywood group basically will get end basically, and somebody else will take the place. So that's why Bollywood groups are telling that basically we are clear up to that level basically. You will not imagine basically. So you can just imagine basically what movies are, and what popcorns are, what samosas are, what cold drinks are in movie theater. That's why basically when the corona was came basically, that time not a single movie theater was open. So there are reasons basically behind the shutdown which is done by the Indian government. Not Indian government basically, whole world basically was shut down. So you can just imagine about the SBI group basically. So they told that basically they have the account of this everything. They have the account basically. Bollywood account is there basically. And in Bollywood account basically each and every movies which was created, that account also basically they have. So they have kept that data of that each and every movie basically, and in movie basically they have the each and every transactions basically, which they have done basically to check each and every body parts on the base of the human need basically was created. So movie human needs basically was created, and when the human needs basically was consumed by the human people basically, that time basically nothing basically was damaged. So up to that level proof basically they have. So how basically the president of current basically they are telling that basically your president basically when it was ruling, that time this human needs basically was creating problem basically. Due to that basically that body parts was damaged. So you can just imagine up to what level the clear communication has to be happen basically. Because that time basically the Bollywood was not up to that level, but currently basically are there. So one of the person told that Bollywood groups are very dangerous basically. They actually secure the, because it might possible that one day basically the president group will say that basically you take care of yourself basically, you will, we will take care of our other parts basically. So it might possible basically that Bollywood groups basically get sent, but that is not possible basically because they have done up to that level plans basically. So you can just check basically SBI basically have one bank. Mostly basically it might be banks basically. It might be Citibank, it might be ICICI Bank, it might be Corporation Bank, it might be HSBC, it might be HDFC, it might be Bank of India. It might be any bank basically, where basically they might have kept their accounts. And in that account, everything is cleared basically. That this was the human needs, and we have checked that human needs in the form of this movie. And if from when the movie was basically ongoing, that time basically lots of our people basically who actually are basically into the testing side, because normal people don't know everything basically. They basically have their testing people basically. You can just imagine basically when the movie theater is ongoing, the movie theater basically the Bollywood groups are basically into that. You will not believe it, that person basically is some Bollywood group tester basically. He is actually testing each and every human needs basically what are basically launched into. So movie theater equal to what? Movie theater equal to one of the testing of one of the human needs basically. And they are displayed. For example, Tomato is going to produce what all ideas. For example, 108 ideas basically are going to produce by the Tomato. So they everything basically display in that movie. And that 108 ideas basically are dumped into the samosas, popcorns, cold drinks, everything basically. Water is also basically there. So special human needs are basically created for the special movies. So you can imagine basically the SBI groups are connected up to what level? Because SBI group under the SBI group basically Bollywood basically have the account. That's why basically. So you can just one of the person told the yeah basically it's very dangerous basically. Each and every human needs basically which are creating basically that are tested up to what level basically before it comes to the public basically. One of the person told that yes yeah basically we can't imagine basically. We basically can't imagine. So this is also little bit about SBI. Now basically the Amazon group basically. Amazon told that basically whatever human needs basically they are producing basically it's going from our shopping also basically. Shopping means movie theater basically ticket booking also basically we have the apps basically which is created. In that ticket booking basically we checks each and everything basically that this movie is basically for which all human needs basically created. They also checks because they say that basically whatever product basically we launch in our Amazon, because they have created few applications, that is the APIs, few services basically. Because whenever you are booking the theater basically, sorry, booking the ticket basically, that time the services basically are used, that is the that basically Amazon also basically produce. So they say that basically the people who basically are purchasing the tickets, that data basically are also taken, how basically they are behaving after that movie and basically after eating the samosas and popcorns, whether the 108 idea basically has taken into picture into the in that particular people's body. So you can imagine basically few people says that few software company basically has created a few cities basically so that their human needs can be checked basically. And basically the human needs means 109 here basically I have taken the tomato equal to 109 ideas, 108 or 109 ideas basically the tomato is producing. For that basically they have created the Cities also basically. You can't imagine basically. So Amazon is also up to what level? Just to see basically. Because nowadays basically it's a digital world basically. It's a digital world basically. So now about third point, that is earthquake going to happen after 2 days. Earthquake going to happen after 2 days. So one of the person told that stable data is there, unstable data are basically there. Stable data are created, unstable data basically gets produced. Then basically in the stable data, unstable data are dumped and the earthquake happen basically. Here basically if unstable data is more than the stable data matrix, then basically the big earthquake basically happens. Big earthquake happens basically. And few people says that basically if you take the name of Bollywood, they basically enters your house and basically they damage your body parts. Few people, basically, but not all people basically, because all basically can't become one basically. Otherwise, basically, it will create problem to entire Bollywood. So you can imagine basically. So one of the person told that Bollywood data is also one of the stable unstable data. Software is also one of the software means 1 crore project basically, that is also one of the stable and unstable data. Human needs basically, which is consumed by the each and every people basically, that is also stable and unstable data basically. These all are data basically which are getting dumped into the environment. So that here basically I have taken one example of 1,000 buildings in Bangalore, that basically is producing the by the Microsoft group basically. They have basically created in that basically, it might possible they might have used few Bollywood data also. Bollywood data also basically, it might possible that they might have used. Might possible basically, it's not basically I am telling that basically it might not be possible. It might possible basically I am telling. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic, that is SBI group basically and SBI customers, Amazon groups, and after 2 days big earthquake basically is going to